Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm doing a foundation tutorial. I'm doing a wear test with this foundation tutorial, and I'm covering half my face to see if it actually covers up all this flippin' redness in my skin. This is what we are doing today. We are doing the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. Now, I'm crossing my fingers because I love, personally, long wear foundations. If you guys don't like long wear foundations, you're watching the wrong video. I test out all my foundations regardless if they say long wear or not. I check in throughout the day, and let's open this up. I check in throughout the day and actually tell you whether they last longer than 8 hours or not. So I've never, this is brand new, obviously I had to prime it. I got the number 40 nude. So is it runny? Well, it's not the thickest formula, but it's not super duper runny. But it's like a medium consistency. Let's go ahead and try it onto the face. I'm going to do, let's see here, I'll do half of my face over here. Yeah. I just have a damp beauty blender. Let's go ahead and dip into this bad boy and see does it cover or not. Guys, so what do you think? I think the finish is a very dewy finish. It's kind of funny because when you think of mousse, you don't think of dewy, but this looks like a very dewy finish on my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with some powder, but if I'm looking in the mirror, it's a beautiful foundation. I love dewy foundations, but they typically don't last on my skin. So let's cross our fingers. I will check in later and let you guys know. I just want to turn on the camera and show you what my foundation looks like. Now let's cross our fingers that it lasts all day long, because I think the finish is actually really pretty. Now, it's not mousse at all like what it says it's supposed to be a mousse, but it's not a mousse. So it's very dewy, but it's still a beautiful finish. So let's go ahead and see if let's go ahead and see if it lasts all day or not. Let's get to those check-ins. Okay guys, so this is 6 hours later. I haven't had to touch up till now, and typically most foundations I have to touch up around 4 hours, so that's pretty impressive. But you guys can see how much oil I have on my skin, minus, that's not oil, that's my highlighter. So I have my Scott one-ply toilet paper. If you guys press your foundation down, you do want to do a very dry one-ply toilet paper. And I'm just going to press it down and see if this actually starts to remove, or does it just push down, back down, and mattify. So I have some oil transfer there, not much makeup. So I have makeup right there. So I'm going to have to say this did not make it to 8 hours, and I am seeing some major problems in my makeup. I'm going to pull you guys close so you guys can see. Okay guys, so look right below my nose here. Automatically you can see that. Look at that. Completely lined up. I don't know what the heck. It looks like ripples on my lip right there under my nose. You guys can see completely came up on the sides right here and right here. And it's good that I do these close-up check-ins, because you guys see how much red I have in my skin, so you actually can see a big difference. That's all red, some red there, all red, some red there, and this is just completely unacceptable. Not a long wearing foundation. Fortunately, I'm going to have to give this foundation a fail. If you did like this tutorial review, please hit that thumbs up button and the tiny little bell by the subscribe button. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.